Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I just got back from the gym and also walking marshmallow and doing my affirmations, listening to my affirmations with my earphones. So here's the thing about desire. Okay, the title of this YouTube video is gonna be It's About Your Desire. It's about the money. It's about the sex. It's about the fucking muscles and the abs. It's about the car. It's about it, yes. It's the desire that leads you. It's like the carrot, okay, that's in front of the donkey. You're the donkey. Your consciousness is the one holding the carrot in front of you, okay? So you're basically, and your human experience is the donkey, but you're in command. Your human experience is the donkey, okay? Wow, that's a great analogy. Now, what is it that you desire? Okay, it's about it. So fuck whoever says, it's not about the money. They're probably broke. They're like, it's just not about sex. They're probably not having sex. It's not just about having a girlfriend. Or, they probably don't have a girlfriend, boyfriend. They probably have a sucky love life. It's not about having a fucking Challenger, a sports car. You should be grateful for just a fucking, whatever, basic car. Yeah, it's, be grateful. But go after what you fucking want. People who don't fucking have love, health, wealth, happiness in their life, don't fucking listen to them, okay? Don't fucking listen to them. Most likely you're watching me because you want some health, you want some muscle. You're just watching me. You're just being in my aura and hearing my voice and just seeing my physique. You're gonna get strong and healthy. Because that's what I am, strong and healthy. And that's what I love to do, like work out and talk about that stuff. That's why my YouTube channel is Miguel Martinez Juarez Fitness. Then I have some reviews on supplements and things like that. I'm gonna do one pretty soon that I haven't done recently on a few supplements. That's NAD plus. Okay, NAD plus. That helps you with your ATP when there's more ADP. What is it? Yeah, 80. Damn, man, I don't know, man. Because there's so many abbreviations, but the one that I said that helps with ATP, okay, production. More of that in your cells creates more ATP production, more strength. Vitamin C helps with recovery, just like glutamine. But vitamin C is something new that I've been doing. And lastly, B12s. And I've always taken B12s in the past, but I'm taking more of a higher dose. And I feel amazing. All right. Desire. It's about it, man. It's fucking about the money. It's about the fucking body. It's about the baddies. Okay? It is about it. It's about the fame. So when you receive it through your visualization process, through your affirmation process, through your faith, through your persistence. Faith and persistence to me is the same thing. Persistence is faith manifest. 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 If you don't have faith, you're not going to continue visualizing and going after what you desire. There's a quote by Thomas Edison that says, the surest way to fail is to give up. And the surest way to succeed is just to try one more time. Just one more time. Just try one more time. Fuck, you already failed all those other times. Try one more time. So just visualize it again. Visualize it again. And visualize it again. Affirm it again. So yesterday and today I smashed a few baddies. No, 2 days ago and yesterday I smashed baddies. And that's what I've been visualizing. I've been visualizing me smashing. And there's this song. Songs are very powerful, so be careful with what you listen to and visualize. Because as I'm listening to the song, the way to cancel out a song, right? A song that you don't want to happen to you, that, maybe it's talking about negative shit. The first thing, don't fucking listen to it. Number two, tell yourself, this is just a song. This is not what I desire. This is just a song. Okay, it's not something that manifests. And you also say under grace and perfect ways. I am under grace and not under law. I am under grace and not under law, meaning you are the reflection of the heaven, okay, pattern. You're the reflection of the heavenly pattern and not the earthly one. So everything in your life is going to be fucking perfect, okay, near perfect. Because you're the divine design. You're reflecting the divine design, and everything in the divine, in imagination, okay, and the non-physical is perfect. Okay, it's perfect. Now, all of that, again, desire is to remember that all you need is you. All you need is the imagination. Okay, it's just to remember that. To remember that you are the creator, you are God. All right. Now let's go over some ways to do this. Let's wrap it up. Just like with the music. There's a song that it's a Spanish song. It's called Spread Junior H. Ella. And it talks about him being at a club and he's dancing with this girl, you know, and he's like, you know what happened next? He fucked. And then she left, I think in the middle of the night, or she left the next day and he never saw her again. He's like, man, I wish I could see her again. But the only thing I visualized, didn't visualize myself like sad and not something sad and I'm waiting for her to come. What I would see is just like me dancing. I would see myself dancing. Dun, 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 or whatever the song, how it goes. And I was like, just dancing with the baddie. Thursday and Friday, I was dancing with the baddie. And my affirmations, I fuck a fit baddie. Thursday, I was smashing a fit baddie. And we danced, and then I smashed. And then yesterday, but also I gotta tell you, I got a coach. I got a fitness coach because I told myself one day, hey, I looked at myself in the mirror and I said, I'm gonna have an amazing sex life. I just wanted sex. Okay? So it was about the sex, but ultimately what I got is self-validation, self-love. My dating coach taught me about being grounded, having love for myself. Most importantly, being grounded. Okay, so women are meant to test you because that's how they gauge if you're going to be worthy enough to make love to fuck. Because they don't want to be with a fucking bitch. If you're fucking emotional, women are very, very emotional for some reason. Because they have to be caring. They have to give a lot of love, especially to kids, okay, offspring. If you're emotional, you're woo, 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 woo. So they like being calm. They like it when you're calm. And that attracts them when you're like stoic, okay? Women can be stoic and calm too, you know. But their natural tendency is, you know what I mean? Loving, caring, bearing life, having kids. That's part of who they are. You know, we can have that too. You know, they're both there. We both have that, but we just have a little more tendencies. But for sexual attraction, it's about being calm. So this is what I learned. So it is about the fucking sex, because that's what's guiding you to learn to give yourself, at least for me, was self-love, to be calm and to be grounded. Now that I learned to be self-loving, to be calm and grounded, the women just come to me because they see the aura, they smell the aura. They're good at this shit. They could like, oh shit, man, this guy's fucking sexy. He's so calm, so confident. Like, I just want to fuck the shit out of him. And they'll just they'll do stuff. They'll come next to you, bump you, talk to you, stuff like that. You know, gentle. They're more gentle. But if you're like, oh, come on, please, come with me. Please, come with me on this date. I'll buy you anything you want. You know, that's high, like needy. And you're like, if they say no, and you're like, come on. They're like, oh, they're like, fuck, I'll just go with you. But guess what? They're gonna cheat on you. They're gonna be with me. A guy who is calm, confident. All right, masculine. Okay, calm and confident. Assertiveness, leadership is masculine. Women can have it too, but I'm saying to be a good man, to actually be a man, you need that. So that's the stuff that you'll learn when you're after your desires, whatever you desire. Okay, so it's about the desire. You need to visualize it. Like I visualized me dancing, and it came to me, and I felt it so good. I'm like, oh man, this girl's a baddie. She's like, I just knew she was a baddie, and I'm dancing. Dun, 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 dun. And in my car, it's a red stoplight. The song is talking about I'm dancing with this girl. 3 songs, we're getting to know each other. That's what the song is saying, and I'm like dancing. Yes. Oh yeah, because I love dancing. So I was feeling amazing. Okay, so I manifested it. Then affirmations. I listen to affirmations. My affirmations that right now I'm listening to that have manifested is I fuck fit baddies. Okay, I fuck fit baddies. I have more than enough money to buy everything that I want and need. Oh, and I love it because I remember I used to not have money. I used to not have money. Now I'm rich. Now I have thousands in the bank, and so, like, you think about it, it's like night and day. It's like one moment to another because all we have is the present moment. All we have is the present moment, and every time you evolve or you get a new belief, it's still the present moment. You're still the same person. It's just you let go of one identity and you assume another identity. That's the law of assumption. Okay. But the way you're supposed to go is through the carrot. The carrot. The carrot. That's your desire. I desire to be here to make these videos. I feel amazing when I make these videos. It's part of my purpose to give back. This is part of those non-negotiables, which is to give back. So it's my purpose. Okay, and what am I non-negotiables? To give back. Okay. And I also earn money because YouTube pays its content creators. That's fucking amazing. You know, you learn, I win, everybody wins, everybody gets better and better and better, but it reaches a higher frequency. Okay, and whatever you desire, we're all going up. Okay. Yeah, so visualization, affirmations, record them, listen to, have like little like birds in the background. That's why I love recording my audios in the morning when I walk Marshmallow, because nobody's out. I'm like walking him at around 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Nobody's out. There's no noise, no cars, and all you hear is the birds chirping. Pew, 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 pew. Or if you want, you can just fucking put on a meditation video that has some birds in it. So you have some high frequency stuff in the background. The 432 or 963HZ, they're high frequency, and you have birds. Birds are also high frequency. Bird chirping, because when there's danger, there's no birds around. When there's a predator around, there's no birds around, and so we've evolved from that. So when we know there's birds around chirping, we're at peace. We're in heaven. We're calm. But there's dead silence. It's like, oh, danger. There must be a fucking saber-tooth tiger or a tiger around, or a pack of wolves. That's why there's no fucking animals around making noise. Now, that's how you do that. You record your affirmations, use Audio Looper, the app Audio Looper, the app Audio Looper, the app Audio Looper, and do 200 at each sitting. Do 3 sittings when you eat, put it on. That's what I do. When I'm eating, I put them on. I try to get 200. Okay. So by the end of the day, I might have 600. Okay. Sometimes I go above, so I have 300 on just one sitting. All right. So visualization, affirmation, and you're in that identity. And just let it go and flow. Go on to do the next thing on your task, on your to-do list for that day. Okay? Or whatever major task you gotta do, and get in a flow. And then when your energy dips, get back up. Do some push-ups. Do some burpees. Run. Donate some money. I mean, if it's $1, donate some money. Get your frequency up. Giving is a very, very high frequency. And then before you know it, your vision, your affirmations will manifest. I love you. Until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. And if you have any questions, comment below. I'll answer them.